Hi everyone, this is Mr. Ang and welcome to another video for lower sec science. Today's topic, this video is going to cover chapter 9 on household electricity. There will be two videos for this, so this will be part 1. Okay, so for household electricity, what we are actually covering is some of the common hazards, basically dangers of using electricity, and then what are some features that man has come up with in terms of protecting ourselves from some of these electric shocks and electrocution. Okay, so first we'll go through the three common hazards that we will find in our house. The first one that you usually will find will be damaged insulation. So at this point, if you haven't, please take out your notes. You need to copy down some of the red highlighted words. Okay, so damaged insulation. In other words, it's the rubber that's on the outside. If it's damaged, that's where it's dangerous. So usually it's caused by wear and tear over prolonged use of it. So what happens is when it's damaged, the exposed wires will end up touching each other to cause a short circuit, or they might be, when a person touches them, they might get electrocuted as well. So it is quite dangerous. So exposed wires, take note. Okay, so these are some pictures that shows damaged insulation. You can see here the outside rubber is already spoiled. Same for this one. Here even the wires are actually broken already. So these are some pictures as examples. The next situation that it can be quite dangerous is overheating of cables. Now this occurs when you try to put too many plugs into one power point. So in this case, for example, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So about 4 here. So why is this dangerous? It's because when you put so many appliances together, you actually draw a large current from the power point. So this large current can cause overheating in the wires, and this can actually cause electric fire to start. Alright, so there's some pictures. You have too many plugs into the socket. So this is quite extreme. I'm not sure whether this is even possible. So yeah, if not taken care of, it actually can start a fire. I'm going to show you a video that where this guy actually tries to do it, and watch what happens. Okay, there will be no explosions, but it's more of like how it heats up.
Setup, I'm gonna overload a 7.5 amp lead on a 10 amp power point. 200 amp meter.
Okay, so here is where he will increase.
60 amps is going through there.
As the current increases, here it starts to burn.
Socket fails or the lead fails.
Okay.
Lead is getting soft already.
Okay, here's where it starts to burn. Yeah, you see a lot of smoke now. This is only at about 50, 60 amperes.
This is what would happen if you had no fuse on a lead. Controlled environment.
So don't try this at home.
It's sitting at 60 amps now, dropped down a bit because of the resistance.
Oh no, it's really smoky.
Beautiful.
Okay, so this is what happens if you have too much current in your wire, and it will start. Yep, it will start burning. So usually, one of the most common reasons why fires happen also is because of this. Okay, didn't see enough. So good that
Because I don't want to burn my meter.
Okay, so that is for overheating of cables. Now the third situation, also common, is when you are trying to operate electrical appliances in near water. We call it damp conditions. So because water is a conductor of electricity, there's a danger where there's an electric shock. When a person touches the water, there is in contact with an appliance. So for example, if I touch here and the water is in contact, so there's a possibility that electricity can flow through the water and to my hand, and I can get electric shock. So that's why it is you need to be careful not to use appliances near water. There's a toaster near the dishwasher, dangerous. Alright, so that ends for the first video. Second video, then we'll go through what safety features are all about.